watching a video from CycleCruza's all-in-one sport bike channel. Subscribe today. Please note, this is for entertainment purposes only. I got my flasher problem fixed. You know, the hyper flash that you get when you put on aftermarket flush mounts and the aftermarket blinker mirrors here. And thanks to MC Moto Parts, their flasher relay, I installed it on my bike, and I'll show you in this video instructions on how to install the flasher relay. The items you'll need to install this flasher relay are a 5mm metric hex key, scissors, rubbing alcohol, a turn signal flasher relay, and Velcro with adhesive backing. Step 1. Remove the two 5mm bolts holding the seat. Step 2. Locate the stock relay next to the battery and remove it by unplugging it. Step 3. Unplug and remove the stock relay. Step 4. Clean the back of the mcmotoparts.com relay with rubbing alcohol and the mounting location on the bike. Step 5. Cut the female and male Velcro pieces into two small matching pieces and apply one piece to the back of the relay and the other piece to the mounting surface on the bike. Step 6. Plug the new relay in and mount the relay. Step 7. Reinstall the seat and screw in the two 5mm bolts.
And it's time for CycleCruza's recommended videos.
For those of you looking for a great first bike to start on, check out my review on the 2011 Honda CBR600rr. For those of you that want to step up your street and track game, check out my review on the 2008 Honda CBR600rr, baby! Check out my Motovlog on why I canceled the purchase of a 2012 Honda CBR1000rr. For those of you cheap mofos out there looking for some decent motorcycle gloves for the winter, check out my review on the Olympia Sport 6000 Mustang gloves. Show your motorcycle love and get sport bike graffiti apparel at CycleCruza.com. Hey, subscribe to my blog over at CycleCruza.com for tips and great deals. Also, click like on my Facebook page for new updates, and that's Facebook.com/CycleCruza1.